How to set up international shipping on Shopify. So guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can set up the international shipping on Shopify. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to open the Shopify with your logged in account. So simply you have to go with your browser and here you have to type for Shopify. So you'll have to log in with your account in Shopify. So simply I'm clicking on this login. Okay, so now I'm logged in with my account on Shopify. So from here, you will have to simply click on this setting, which will appear on this bottom left corner of the screen. So simply click on this setting option. So after opening the settings section, you'll have to go for the options like shipping and delivery here. So simply click on it. And from here, you have to click on these options like create a custom profile. So simply click on it. And from here, you'll have to give a profile name here. Okay, like I will give this random profile name here. And I have to add the products here. And for the shipping zone, you have to click on this add shipping zone option. So simply click on this. And from here, you can set up multiple country for your shipping on a zone. So simply you have to give a zone name. So I am giving this name as class 1. So on the zone name class 1, I am selecting this random countries here. Like it will be Hong Kong, Israel, Japan, Malaysia, Nepal, Singapore, South Korea, and Europe. So after selecting these countries on zone name class 1, you will have to click on this zone option. So simply click on it. And after all of the configuration through it, you'll have to click on this save option. So simply click on the save. Okay, so the profile has been created. So if you find this video as helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.